and this cordless vacuum cleaner was sent to me to try out, so let's unbox it. Alright, so today I'm unboxing this CHEBIO cordless vacuum cleaner. It's an 8-in-1. It is lightweight and it has 500 watts of power. So let's see what's inside. Alright, so you have the main unit. This is the power brush. You have the 2-in-1 brush. You also have a sofa brush, the HEPA filter, the cleaning tool, the telescopic rod. You have a hardware bag so that you can put the rechargeable wall mount up. It has this power cord to plug that up with. And then you have the battery pack. This thing packs some power. A 500 watt high efficiency motor with up to 45 kPa suction. On eco mode, you get about 50 minutes of runtime. And if you need a deep clean, max mode gives you around 20 to 25 minutes of strong suction to tackle carpets and pet hair. It has a V-shaped anti-tangle roller brush that actually helps prevent hair from wrapping around, and it's got 5 built-in LED lights so you can see dust hiding under the furniture and in dark corners. The head rotates 180 degrees, making it super easy to get around table legs, cabinets, and all those tricky spots without moving everything out of the way. Right here on the handle, there's a high-definition LED display. It shows your battery percentage down to 1%, your suction mode, and even the brush status, so you always know exactly what's going on. It uses a cyclone system and HEPA filter that captures 99.99% of dust particles, and it has a big 1.5 liter dust cup with one-touch release, so emptying it is quick and clean. The battery is removable too, which means you can charge it separately. It's super handy if you want a spare to swap out, and it charges fully in just 4 hours. So if you've been looking for a vacuum that's lightweight, powerful to use, and is packed with smart features, you should definitely check this one out.